Hi, this is Deb with the Hand and Paw Project, and welcome to our shopping area. To get started, simply click on any one of the shopping categories below. You can shop our bracelets area, dog collars and leashes area, or our specialty items. Once you've made your choice, you'll be redirected to our full catalog of items, such as our bracelets, where you can click on a bracelet style you're most interested in, and then click on that particular item to see all the colors and sizes available. We have a safe and secure online ordering system, and you can purchase as many items as you like by adding them to your shopping cart. When you're ready to place your order, simply follow our easy-to-use checkout and payment system to complete your order. Once you've placed your order, we will personally handle your purchase and ship it right to your door. If you have any questions, please let us know. Again, this is Deb with the Hand and Paw Project, and thank you for buying your Hand and Paw Project items and supporting fur friends in need, one paw at a time.